Hey guys, so let's talk about riding for a sec. You know, there's something about it that's just hard to put into words until you actually feel it yourself, right? It's kinda like this vibe you can't just explain in a minute. It's a feeling, a deep down kind of feeling that builds up when you hop on your bike, grip the throttle, and hear that engine roar to life. And let me tell you, when you're cruising around Pulau Penang, that feeling gets even more intense. The air hits different. The roads, they're alive. It's like the journey has its own meaning. As soon as I get on my Honda CBR250RR, everything else fades away. The city noise, gone. Life's pressures, bye. All those racing thoughts, they just drift off little by little. And then it's just me, my bike, and the open road ahead. Today, that road is taking me to Andaman Island. And I'm not in a rush, okay? I'm not chasing speed. For me, it's all about soaking in every moment. As I glide through the streets of Penang, I see life happening around me, people walking, cars buzzing by, the city doing its thing. But I'm not part of that rhythm right now. Nope, I'm in my own zone. Time slows down out here. Every second stretches out, every little detail gets clearer. The sound of my engine, it's steady and alive. The wind, it's like a gentle push as I keep moving forward. The road ahead feels like an endless invite to just ride. Every turn I make, every lean into a corner, it's like I'm having a chat with the road. This isn't just movement, you guys. It's a real connection. A lot of folks think riding is just about showing off or going fast. But they totally miss this part, the quiet inside your helmet, the peace that comes when everything else fades away. Out here, on the roads of Penang Island, this is where I find my clarity. My mind finally hits the brakes and slows down. Sometimes the road is busy, and other times it's chill. But no matter what, it always teaches me something: patience, focus, awareness. And sometimes it even teaches me about myself. As I keep riding, leaving behind the crowded streets, the vibe starts to change. The air gets lighter, the space opens up, and the noise softens. I can feel that sense of freedom growing stronger with every kilometer. Heading towards Andaman, the road shifts into something different. It's like a transition from chaos to calm, from noise to silence. And in that shift, something inside me starts to change. I'm not thinking about yesterday anymore, and I'm not worrying about tomorrow. I'm just here, right now, riding, breathing, living. The bike responds to every little move I make. It feels like an extension of me, alive and connected. And that's when you realize riding isn't just something you do. It becomes a part of who you are.
There are moments when I push it a little harder, feel that adrenaline rush. And then there are times when I slow down, just soaking it all in and enjoying the ride. Both vibes are right, both are necessary. Riding isn't just one feeling, it's a mix of everything: excitement, peace, focus, freedom, all coming together in one awesome experience. As I get closer to Andaman Island, I start to notice the changes even more. The surroundings shift, the energy changes. Everything feels more open, calm, and real. And for a moment, I slow down, not because I have to, but because I want to. Standing here, somewhere between the busy life I left behind and the peaceful road that brought me here, I realized something. The road didn't change, the world didn't change, but I did. I feel lighter, clearer, and more at peace. That's what this ride gives me: not just movement, but meaning. Not just a destination, but a transformation. Every ride, no matter how short or long, leaves something behind and takes something new with it. It takes away stress and noise, and in return, it gives me clarity and freedom. It gives me a moment to just be myself without anything else getting in the way. And maybe that's why I keep coming back to this, again and again. Because no matter how many times I ride, it never feels the same. Every road tells a different story. Every journey creates a different feeling. And every ride changes me in a small way. Some people search for peace in places, others in people. But for me, I find it here, on two wheels, on the open road, on journeys like this through Pulau Penang toward Andaman. This isn't just about riding a bike, it's about feeling something real, something honest that reminds you you're alive. In a world that moves too fast and feels overwhelming, this becomes my escape, not running away from life, but reconnecting with it, reconnecting with myself. Understanding things without needing words, feeling things without needing explanations. And as I hop back on the bike and fire up the engine again, I know this journey isn't over. Riding never really ends. It just pauses until the next road, the next moment, the next story. This isn't just a bike. This isn't just a ride. This is my freedom, my therapy, my story. And this road from Pulau Penang to Andaman Island. It's just one chapter of something way bigger. Something that continues every time I ride. I stop the bike, and suddenly, there's this sweet silence. Not an empty silence, but one that's full of everything I just experienced. I take off my helmet, feel the air, look around, and just breathe deep.
Walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard, languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist.